Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox, a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket. Remove the holding screws on the airbox. You can then release the airbox conduit by pulling on it. Lift the airbox completely and remove the second hose using a flathead screwdriver and unscrewing the clamping clip. Pull on it, making little back and forth movements.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
To open the airbox, you have to remove the 6 flange retaining screws. With a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, unscrew the flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Open the flange and remove the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter in the flange. Then, screw the 6 retaining screws back in. Put the airbox back in its housing, then clip it in place by pushing down on it. Put the hose back in place and tighten the clamping clip. Now, screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Reinsert the air inlet conduit into the airbox. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.